Okay, so this video is on how to use the telephone session scorekeeper as you are a receptionist or a PRA. So if you are using this paper, what you're going to do is, it says on the top your name, so you can put your name there. It's kind of hard to read things on this camera, so but manager name, or that would be your manager. Your rep number, you can leave that alone, you don't need that. Or your phone number, you don't need that. Just put your name. Right. So what you're going to do is the date. This is a date that you started, that you're working, the time you started. All right. Now each hour as a PRA person, you should be making about 20 calls. Okay, in an hour. So each hour you're going to start a new line. Okay. So the time until, let's say your shift was from 2:30, or let's say from 2 o'clock to 7 o'clock. All right, so time in would be you start calling at 2 o'clock. All right, and then at the end, time out is 3 o'clock. So as soon as the hour is finished, you stop your line. Now there's three things that can happen when you make your first call. You call made. So let's say you call, so you have your leads, you call the first person, they're saying, as you're talking, it says the phone's ringing. As the phone's ringing, you put a slash. Okay, so that means call was made. All right, whether they pick up, whether you get an answering machine message, doesn't matter. You made a call. Okay, so as the phone's ringing, you slash. All right, then let's say now let's say you make the slash, and then you get the answering machine. All right, so you leave the message, and then you that you're supposed to leave, and then you go to the next call. All right, call second person. All right, so as the second one's ringing, you put a slash on number 2. All right, so that's your second call you're making. Now that person picks up the phone. Hi, is Jennifer there? Yes, this is Jennifer. As soon as he says this is Jennifer, X. Okay, you put another slash under the 2. So now it goes from a slash to an X. So that means you made contact with the person that you were talking about. It just says contact made. I know you can't see it, it's kind of blurry, but it says contact made. So this is call made, 1 slash, contact made, slash 2. All right, and then when they actually set up the appointment, okay, it says presentation made, or appointment, should say appointment made. When you actually make the appointment, then you would circle it. So first person you called, you left a message, put a slash. Second person you called, put a slash as the phone's ringing. The person picks up the phone. Hi, is Jenny there? This is Jenny. Put another slash. That's an X. All right, and then you say, would you like to come in for, oh, I'm not interested, I have a job already. All right, so then it stays as an X. That means you contacted the person, but you didn't get to set them up for appointment. And then, so let's say you call the next person, as it's ringing, put a slash, they pick up the phone, hello, hi, is Tim there? Yeah, this is Tim. You put another slash, okay, so now it's an X. Hey Tim, we have this great job, it pays this much, your friend started working with us, oh cool, would you like to come in for an interview? Yes, I would. That's not the approach, but you read the whole approach. All right, so when they say yes, I'd let, and you set them up for an appointment, then you put a circle. All right, so you want as many X's with circles as possible. All right, so again, call made is an X, is a slash. When you talk to the person, you put an X. If you make the appointment, you circle it. All right, and then you go through. All right, so from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we want to see how many calls you make. If you make more than 20, you can go to the next line. All right, so from 2 to 3, you would do that. And then you would start on the next line. All right, so now my next shift starts at 3. So from 3 to 4, then from 4 to 5, then from 5 to 6, and 6 to 7. All right, so that way you can see actually how many calls you are making in an hour. And then now you don't have to start a new sheet every time you work. Now after that, you just put like a little squiggly line or something, and then next time you come in, you put the new date. So you would come down here, you put the new date. Here's when I started again the next day on Sunday. And I started at 2, and from 2 to whatever. Okay? So that's how it goes. All right? So that's all you really need to do. And that way when you sign in, when you sign out at the end of your shift, you can put how many calls you made, because you can just look at this tracker. It's a lot easier to look at. Here's how many calls I made in the entire thing. You just add them all up. How many slashes you made, how many things you slashed off, and here's how many people I set up for appointments. Okay. Also, we can look at this. Now we can also see how many people you talk to and how many set up appointments out of the number of people that you talk to. All right. So this is called the telephone session scorekeeper. Use it every shift, and make sure you keep one in your book, in your binder. All right.